Hey guys, it is Weapon Reviews 83 here, and no, I haven't made a video in a long time, but I just got this knife from the Leatherman shop, and it's awesome. So let's open it up here. I only got one hand, and well, so all the tools in it are needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, hard wire cutters, 420 HC knife, a 420 HC serrated knife, a saw, scissors, scissors, wood metal file, diamond coated file, large bit driver, small bit driver, medium screwdriver, a ruler 8-inch, 19 centimeters, bottle opener, can opener, and wire stripper. So it has a lot of tools in here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 tools in this. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what it is. It is the Leatherman Wave, the most popular Leatherman made. And it's awesome to have. And features of it are a lanyard ring. About 100%. This is 100% stainless steel. Nothing on this will rust at all. You can keep this in water for a week. Not a spot of rust. All locking blades and tools. They all lock. Leather or nylon sheath. Stainless steel handles. The handles. And black oxide version available. You can get a different one. Yeah, it's got a 25-year warranty when you buy them. And it's got a bit kit. You can get a Phillips 1, 2, and screwdriver 3/16, and Phillips eyeglass screwdriver and flat tip. Yeah, I really like this because it's got a watch screwdriver on it. Show you in a sec. When it's closed, it measures in 4 inches across from here to here, 4 inches, and so it's 10 centimeters across too, or 4 inches when it's closed, and the weight is 241 grams, which is 8.5 ounces, OZ, whatever, and the blade length. So wait, let me put this down quickly. This blade length, it's like the main blade. It locks in place so it can't go back in. See? You have to push down on this and then put it down. Wait, whatever. It's really sharp, and the blade length is 2.9 inches across. So yeah, just wait. I'm gonna open it up in a second. So alright, I'm just gonna put it down for a second. So goes like this. So these are what the pliers look like. Epic pliers. They work really good. And then put it back down for a second. Just gonna open up this side. So there's this, and you can chip something open, if you want to open up something. The special watch screwdriver. And once we push these two in, I'll show you the scissors. These are the scissors. You just gotta go like that, and make the scissors. Put those back in, and then This side there is just there is a Phillips screwdriver and a bottle opener, and then we'll go into the blades. Blades are the best part of it.
You do know it's face down, right?
What is? Wait, there, so here's what all the blades look like. So wait, let me, ouch. So there's like a nail file, put that back in there. And here are the blades of death. So this is just the normal blade, this is the serrated blade, and that is the saw, razor sharp. It's got 2 rows of like teeth, and it is razor sharp. So that would lock into place, and there's the serrated blade. And yeah, just like I said, these are super sharp. And yeah, just fold everything back in here. And so yeah, awesome knife. Fits in here perfectly. Sweet. Fits back in here perfectly. And yeah, you should go buy one. So see you another time. Bye.